I have a few texts here to which I would like to apply a strike-through effect. But when I search for a button with a strike-through effect in the home ribbon, I can't seem to find it. There is a button to underline a text and even to double underline a text, but no button to apply a strike-through effect. There is, however, a shortcut key you can apply. You can press Ctrl 5 to apply the strike-through effect. But this is a shortcut, so there must be some button or some way to find this effect somewhere in my menu. Well, there is. Let me select A2. You can right-click this cell and choose Format Cells, or press this little button in the font group. In the font tab, you'll find the strike-through effect here. Check the checkbox and click OK. And then the strike-through effect is applied. Now, if you use this effect very often, it might be more convenient to have a button with a strike-through effect on your ribbon, so that's what I'm going to do now. Go to File, Options, and Customize Ribbon. Here in the right pane you have the Home ribbon with all your groups and buttons. In order to add a button, you have to create a custom group. Click New Group, right-click, choose Rename. I'm going to name my group Effects, then choose an icon. I'll choose this icon, but this icon will in most cases not be visible unless you make your Excel window very small. Now click OK, and now I have my own custom group. On the left pane you have all the buttons you can add to your group. By default you only see the popular commands. I'm going to choose commands not in the ribbon, and then I'm going to look for the strike-through effect. So I'm going to look for the S, and here I have the strike-through effect. And with your custom group selected, click Add. The button is now added to your custom group. And I want my custom group to be between font and alignment. So I'm going to drag my custom group between font and alignment, and then click OK. And so now between the group font and alignment, I have my own custom group Effects with a strike-through button. So let's test it. Select a cell and click the strike-through button.